All right, so the first thing I want to go through here is how to, first of all, send data to an external storage place, and with that entry data, to actually send the files that have been uploaded with the entry. So let me just tell you what I mean by that. So if you have a form like this one here, and your form includes a file upload field, like we see here at the bottom, this allows users to attach files to their entries. And with GravityExport, you can actually send all of the entry data along with the uploaded files to a destination of your choice. So let me come back to the form here. I'm in the settings on the GravityExport feed tab. And the first thing I need to do is enable the download URL. So I'm going to do that. And I'm not going to touch anything here for now. I'm just simply going to save it. We'll come back to that. But in order to send our files along with a submission, we're going to create a new GravityExport save feed. So this allows us to send data to an external storage location. So I'm going to come here to GravityExport save and add new. I'm going to give it a title here. Put file backup. And because we're going to be sending files along with our entry data, we're going to go ahead and select single entry for the export type. Let me actually zoom in a little bit. Single entry. And now I can select the file type for the entry data. And in this case, we can select Excel, CSV, or PDF. In this case, I'm going to leave it as an Excel file. And then the next thing I need to do is choose the location where the data is going to be sent to. So I'm going to choose my Dropbox. All right, so the page will refresh. And then if you scroll down a little bit, you'll see a new checkbox appear here labeled copy all file upload fields with the exported entry. So by enabling that, that will ensure that all the files uploaded with the entry that the user uploaded, that will get exported along with the entry data itself. Okay, so I've checked that option. And there are some other options here. You can, for example, you can choose a path in your Dropbox, or you can add conditional logic here. But for now, I'm just going to click Save Settings. Okay, that's saved. So to show you how this works, I'm going to go back to the front end. Here is my form. I'm going to go ahead and add a new submission here. So let me fill this out. File. So for example, this could be a form where you're uploading documents. Maybe you want to back up those documents to your Dropbox. I'm going to choose the finance category, choose the dates, and the format is going to be PDF. So I'm going to upload my PDF document here, and you won't be able to see this because I'm just sharing my browser window. That is the document. Upload it. There we go. So as you can see, I've got my business invoice.pdf document there, and I'm going to submit the entry. So when I click submit, that GravityExport save feed that we just configured is going to run, and it's going to send that data to my Dropbox, including the file, the PDF file that I just uploaded. So here we are. Here is my Dropbox, and I'm going to go into my GravityExport folder. And here we go. As you can see, I've got two files. And the one on the left here is my PDF document, business invoice. And the one on the right is the entry data from the form that I just submitted.
Yeah, and one of the great things about GravityExport is it moves your data away from your WordPress site. So you don't always want to gather the data and have it on your WordPress site because you might not be sharing your WordPress site with specific people. But with Dropbox, you can upload it to a shared folder, and that shared document then becomes available to everybody who's connected to that folder. So that's a really powerful tool to create different workflows that aren't possible if you just have it on your WordPress website.